If you're new to scheduling in Deputy, you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the schedule page. So click on schedule in the top menu and let's start the tour. Our first stop on this tour is these three fields in the top left of the screen. These fields determine our view, that is, what information we see on the schedule in front of us. Here is where I'll choose the locations that I want to schedule. You can choose one location, multiple locations, or all locations. Next is the date range. Choose the week you want to view using this calendar, and you can jump to the next week or the previous week by using these arrows. If your week starts on the wrong day, you'll need to change this in the scheduling section of your location settings. If you like to see your schedule over a different time frame than 1 week, you can do that from this drop-down. I can also choose to view by team member, which looks like this, or I can separate my schedule into areas by selecting View by Area, and this can really help me visualize my coverage for each area across the week. Next, let's take a look at my team member list on the left. If you're looking for a team member and they're not appearing here, head to their employee profile and make sure they've been assigned to this location. Search for an individual by name here, and you can sort your team members by the attributes in this drop-down. Click on a team member's name to see information like their employment details and their total hours and cost for this schedule. To edit any of this information, here's a shortcut. Click the team member's photo or initials to open their employee profile. And here's a useful tip. You can use this search bar to search for more than just names. You can search a pay rate, a stress profile, even training tags. For example, I've tagged all of my full-time staff with an FT training tag. So now if I only want to see my full-time team members, I can just search FT. Cast your attention now to the days of the week across the top of the schedule. Click on a day to mark it as a public holiday or block time off requests and to add any important notes. Finally, these buttons in the top right will help you to schedule better and faster. We have 3 auto-scheduling options. Auto-schedule regular working hours will populate this schedule with the regular working hours for every team member. You can set up a team member's regular working hours in their employee profile. Auto-build shift structure relies on you setting up demand signals, such as sales per hour or any other custom metric, to determine the required staff across all areas. Autofill empty shifts will assign recommended team members to all your empty shifts. Clicking copy allows me to copy this schedule to another week, save this schedule as a template, or load in a template I've previously created. Clicking on Insights will take me to the Business Insights section where I can set up budgets and metrics to help me decide required staff numbers and keep wage costs on track. In the Insights drop-down, I can then see my required staff coverage for each area each day, and I can view my stats for each day plus the weekly summary. Click Export to print or download the schedule in a range of formats. Under the Options drop-down, I can do a bunch of things in bulk, such as turning all my empty shifts into open shifts. Putting all of this together, here's a really important fact about scheduling in Deputy. The schedule works on a what you see is what you get basis. This means that if I make a change, that change will only apply to the shifts I see in front of me. Here's how it works. I've just booked an event on Saturday, which means I need all of my kitchen staff to start at 7 a.m. Now, I could edit these kitchen shifts one by one, or I can get smart about it. First, I'm going to collapse every area except my kitchen by clicking these arrows. Now I'm going to change my view to day by area and then toggle across till I'm on Saturday. Now I'm going to the options drop down and I'll select bulk update. I'll change the start time to 7 a.m. and apply. Now, if I want to make sure these kitchen shifts go to my full-time staff only, I'll filter my team member list by searching for my FT training tag, and then I'll select autofill empty shifts. Now, because of what you see is what you get, Deputy is going to fill these empty shifts only with the team members visible here. Well, that was the whirlwind tour of the scheduling page. To find more information about any button or feature, search for it in the Deputy Help Centre or click on Scheduling from the Help Centre homepage.